Making candied orange peel is super easy. You'll need 3 large oranges, baking soda, gently rub the orange surface, baking soda helps break down and remove any pesticide residue. Add some warm water. Let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse off all the baking soda thoroughly. Rinse again with clean water. Cut off both ends of the oranges. Carefully peel the oranges using a knife. Peel off the outer skin. Add water to cover the peels. Boil for 7 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, take them out and put them in cold water. Remove the pith by slicing it thinly. This helps reduce the bitterness of the peel. Cut the orange peel into thin strips. Set them aside. Squeeze about half a cup of fresh orange juice. 120 milliliters of orange juice. One small cup of sugar. Add 120 milliliters of water. Give it a good stir so the sugar dissolves. Transfer the mixture to a pot. Add the orange peel strips. Simmer for 30 to 35 minutes until the peels turn translucent and the syrup thickens. After 30 minutes, the syrup has thickened. Drain any excess syrup. Place the candied peel on a wire rack to cool and dry. Let them dry for 6 to 8 hours at room temperature until semi-dry. Or put them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius, for about an hour. Use any leftover syrup in drinks. Fresh, refreshing, and fragrant orange lemonade. Dry candied orange peel. Roll them in granulated sugar. Delicious candied orange peel. Soft and chewy, full of delicious orange flavor. And that wraps up today's video on making candied orange peel. Got any comments or feedback? Drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for your support. See you next time in the next video.